Hey everyone, today I've got another cool video for you. I'm going to show you how to create and run an Ethereum sniping bot using AI-powered ChatGPT. And guess what? It's already making me passive income consistently. Here's the magic. The sniping bot keeps an eye on the blockchain, hunting for new tokens and massive price changes. When it spots an opportunity, it acts like a ninja, quickly buying or selling tokens before most traders even realize what's happening. This gives us an unmatching advantage to cash in on those price differences. The bot's secret sauce is its ability to find tokens just as they're listed or when there's a sudden price movement. It uses smart algorithms to identify these movements and boom, it makes the trades for you so you can just sit back and watch the profits roll in. If you're thinking, man, this sounds way too complicated, don't sweat it. It's actually pretty easy and you don't even need to know any of that coding mumbo jumbo. Just stick around and let's get this thing rolling.
Alright, let's get started. Hey, ChatGPT, write me the code for a smart contract on Ethereum to automatically hunt for sniping opportunities to earn Ethereum. There you go. ChatGPT is writing a code, and I bet it's better than any human could possibly think of. Then head over to Remix. Remix is a Web3 application that allows us to develop, compile, deploy, and launch smart contracts coded in the Solidity language. I'll put a link to the Remix in the description below. Make sure you have the MetaMask browser extension installed and you're connected to the Ethereum mainnet. If it's your first time on Remix, it may ask you to agree to their terms. I've already done it. Head over to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract under the Contracts folder. We're going to name it bot.sol. Next, copy this code from ChatGPT and paste it into the bot file. This is our stepping trading bot. Let's compile it. Click here. Also make sure that the language is set to Solidity and EVM version is set to default. Now click on the compile bot.sol button and wait for the bot to compile. Now we're going to deploy this to our wallet. Head over to the Deploy and Run Transactions tab in Remix. Here you select the injected Web3 as the environment. We need to confirm the contract on the blockchain by paying gas fees. Gas fees are the commission on the Ethereum network for smart contract development. Now the deployment under utility is ready to go. Click deploy. I always set the gas fees to high. There's usually not much of a difference and it puts the transaction through much faster. Now we wait for the transaction to confirm. Sweet. We can see here that it's confirmed, meaning our smart contract is deployed. Now you can see the various functions for a smart contract. Start enables the bot to start monitoring the markets, and withdraw stops the bot and transfers funds back into your wallet. The rest of the functions are not quite relevant right now. With the smart contract deployed, fund it with some Ethereum which will be used for trading. Make sure you got the right address here. You can fund the contract with whatever amount of Ethereum you want, but keep in mind that the more you put in, the larger the trades you'll be able to make and potentially more profit you can accumulate over time. Sweet, there we go. The transaction confirms that the funds were sent to the contract. We can make sure by checking your contract address on Etherscan, once again ensuring your Ethereum is in the contract. Nice, it's got the Ethereum, which is the amount we funded the contract with. Last step is to click Start. This will enable the bot to start sniffing the mempool to find different liquidity pairs in order for you to sandwich transactions. Let's set the gas speed to high, save and click Confirm. So as you can see, I have about 1.31 Ethereum, which is 31% of the profit already. I'm going to let my bot run for about another 12 hours and withdraw the profits after. Alright, let's see how much more we made. Nice, it's a little over 1.6 Ethereum, so it basically took me a day to gain over half of my deposit back. That's pretty impressive. The bot will continue to run until you click the withdraw button. When you click withdraw, the bot will stop trading and return to the total Ethereum you've entered initially, including the profit back to your wallet. So let's click it. This will charge a little bit of gas. I'll set it to high again and then click confirm. There we go. Then transaction confirmed. Let's go to our MetaMask and see what we have now. You can see the balance from the bot is already in my wallets. This is only after running the bot for a little over a day. Unreal. I've even had weeks where I've made 3 to 6 Ethereum. Sometimes even more. The profits will fluctuate week to week. Guys, share your profits in the comments below, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more profitable ways to make passive income using Web3 tools.